Okay, this video is to help you with screens 1 through 5 on our Desmos activity. Our instructions say read the scenarios below. You're comparing gym memberships. Write 2 equations, one for the ultimate membership and one for the basic membership. Use x and y for your variables. So I know I'm going to be using y equals mx plus b, and I'm going to start with the ultimate membership. So I know that my slope is going to be some kind of recurring fee, something that might happen per a unit of time. And then my B value or my y-intercept is going to be my initial fee. I only pay it once and it doesn't change. So it's $10 to join plus $20 per month, and you have access to all 5 locations. Well, automatically I see this slash means per, and I see a unit of time. So that tells me it's going to be my slope. Every month that I'm there, I pay $20. And then the B value is going to be plus 10 because that's the only other number that I have, and that's the joining cost. Now, when looking at the basic membership, I see that it's $50 to join, $15 per month, and access to 1 location. So again, y equals mx plus b. $15 per month tells me that's slope or the m value. And then $50 to join is your one-time joining fee, and then you're done. So these are my 2 equations. Now, if I move on to screen 2, it says in the previous equation, on the previous screen, what does x represent and what does y represent? Going back to our notes, thinking about one of our first workshops, I know that x is going to tell me how many of something. In this case, x in both cases is next to the monthly fee. So that means x is going to tell me my number of months. And then y always tells us the total amount of something. So y tells me the total cost. And how I got that is by thinking, well, when I add my monthly fee, or however many months that I pay, so $20 for every month, plus the joining fee, that tells me how much I'm paying in total to this gym. Graph both equations in Desmos. What I'm going to do is just copy and paste, and then I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to change this color here. Okay, so this first one was the ultimate membership and the bottom one was the basic membership. So I'm just going to zoom out so I can see those lines. It looks like the ultimate membership starts out being cheaper because the red line, which is my ultimate membership, is underneath the green line, which is my basic membership. And that's what the next question is. What starts out being the cheapest? How do you know? Well, when I'm looking at this, like I said, my cost is lower because the red line is underneath the green line. So the ultimate membership starts out being cheaper. Dang it. And how do I know? Oops. I know because the ultimate line was below the basic line. Now, screen 5, which is where this video is going to end, at how many months do the memberships cost the same? How much do they cost at this point? Look at where the lines intersect. So coming back to my graph, I'm going to see about where they intersect and just click on it. And then X, I know, tells me the number of months. So at 8 months, they're both my Y value, which is $170. So again, to find that, all I did was click on the lines, and it gave me this point. So this point is where they're crossing. At 8 months, both memberships cost $170. Perfect. Submit that. And then our next screen is going to tell us about a different scenario, and you can watch the next video if you'd like help with that.